I know y'all hear that. Oh my God, it sounds so good. I gotta give you guys an overview. But yep, if y'all hear it, y'all know what we did. Oh my goodness. Let me focus on the drive. This is the first drive, boys. So let me make sure I can get home safe. I got a good little 20-minute drive. So what's up, guys? I know y'all see that intercooler. I know y'all see this teasers and all that. So super happy. Went on the first drive. Unfortunately, spilled some water on the seat. I know, right? Just got it. I'm gonna let it dry over there. Gotta wipe it down. It's dirty. We've been working on it. I'm gonna take those couplers out. I'm gonna definitely probably keep that oil back there. But y'all see it. I cannot think. Here, hold on. Let me get a hood prop real quick. So y'all see all the dirty marks. Got the hood prop. Matt had an extra one of these, so I took it, painted it, and it's gonna be my best friend. As y'all see, this is literally the coupler. I was trying to get this car to make it to Hot Wheels, but didn't make it, unfortunately. But it's a lot hotter down here. And it looks like we're spilling coolant somewhere. It's shooting out. Could be right there, though. I need to get an actual fitting for that. But other than that, boys, we just went on a 23-minute drive. No hiccups. Of course, we let the car warm up and everything. No, but it can be. Let me get the key. 1 second, guys. I'm so sorry. So, basically, eBay Turbo Kit, 420A. We had to order a bunch of miscellaneous things. This video is going to be for the people that basically wants to turbo their 420A. This is super tight. Oh, that wasn't even on. I had See, the more you know. I'm about to go tighten that down right now. The car may sound completely different. So, basically, this kit is a bolt-on kit, but there is going to be modifications. So what we did was, as y'all see, the red piping still here. That's the original intercooler I had. AEM. We were able to run it down and utilize it with the, as y'all see down there, that's a part of the actual turbo kit, the piping. Definitely going to have to modify your front bumper. I wanted to, if you keep your fog lights, it's going to be a super snug fit. If you don't care for your fog lights or even the corner trims, you can make it work. No problem. You're still going to have to trim, but you're going to have to trim a lot less. I wanted everything to be OEM plus. This is literally the look I was going for. So I was going for that look right there, minus the OEM hood, but I can always throw that back on. But no, I can't because of that now. I wanted a hood exit. Yeah, boys, this was, if you plan on turboing your 420A, I would say you would be spending around $900 because of the miscellaneous things you're going to get. Because no matter the kit, you're going to be missing stuff. And yeah. So basically, it runs. And I got the boost gauges in here. You're going to have to cut the piping. The way I ran my gauges is since my battery is relocated to the rear, I was easily, well, not me. Again, can't think of the guys over at Team DNA, Bill and Matt, enough. And y'all already know my boy Mario with the other 2G 420A. Can't thank them enough. We were able to knock this out in like 24 hours work time. We had to order parts and wait, of course, but let me show y'all. Cranks right up. Got the RGB gauges. I don't know why this one changes like that. Give me 1 second, boys. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all sounds so good. All the smoke is like literally straight, dirty hands and everything. So it's definitely worth it. As y'all see, that's the wideband is gonna do that. I'm not really tripping, but so good. The only thing I could do better is pretty much get a slim radiator fan, a better radiator, and that's honestly about it. That's honestly about it, boys. I'm gonna come back one of these days to actually wipe down the car, but she good. She back home. She was gone for about a week, but we were able to get it started and worked wondrously. Yeah, I can't thank Bill. I'm gonna leave their Instagram information up there in the description. I'm gonna leave Bill, Matt, and Mario's Instagram description in there. And I'm gonna leave all the links to everything you'll probably need. We didn't need a fuel pressure regulator, not fuel pressure regulator, a fuel pump, but we got it just because. So I didn't want to make a whole video of starting the car and cutting in the piping and everything. Every person that's going to do this is going to but they're going to do theirs differently. So, oh, there's another coupler. That's funny. It's just there. It's not even meant to hold anything. Ah, that's hot. Yeah, so I definitely need a new one of those. Slim, more upgraded. Keep the car cooler. I mean, the car is doing pretty good as is, but, you know, let me make sure that all the lights work. That's one thing I did not do. Sorry, y'all gonna see this with me? Yep. Side marker. No side marker. Ah, it's down there. That's funny. So. That man was just dangling down there. But yeah, guys, if y'all have any questions, definitely do not be scared to hit your boy up. Y'all already know I answer all questions if I can to the best of my ability. And yeah, I'm so happy. This is what I wanted out of the car. Of course, I would rather a GSX, but for the meantime, you know, this will do. And for it to go on its first drive and have no hiccups, can't complain. Cannot complain at all. But I'm gonna get out of here, boys. I just wanted to show y'all a quick video of the 2G and where it's been, all the teasing I've been doing. And yeah, she back and better. Sounds way better. Now I can actually really enjoy this car. I might actually air down all the way because I truly don't know when I'm gonna drive this car. And I'm gonna probably put it all in the same video. I'm gonna put my boy Charlie information in here because he does the custom lips. So I'm gonna probably do that and put that in here too. Come on. Sheesh. Oh, and another thing, I'm gonna put it in the description. The only sketch thing about it is the oil filter. Let me see if I could get it on video. Let me see. That's the oil filter. Super, super close to the ground. That's the only bad thing. But because of the underglow, I'm not gonna air the front all the way down at shows and stuff. Since I know I have a flat ground here and everything, it'll just be fine. Yeah, but again, I'm gonna put links in descriptions. And yeah, boys, super happy. So peace out, and I'll see you on the next video.